Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Have time on one's hands. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story. Once, a student asked me why someone would have time on their hands, and why it's a bad thing. I explained that the idiom means having nothing to do and can be frustrating or boring. The idiom "have time on one's hands" means having free time with nothing to do. It's often used to describe a situation where someone is bored or has no plans. To remember the meaning, think of someone standing idle with their hands free. They have time on their hands because they have nothing to do. Let me give you an example. John lost his job and now has a lot of time on his hands. He's been trying to find a new job but has had no luck so far. Another example is when you're waiting for someone for a long time without anything to do. You have time on your hands and start to feel bored. Here's a quiz to test your understanding. What does the idiom "have time on one's hands" mean? A. Being busy. B. Having free time. C. Being tired. The correct answer is B. Having free time. Remember, understanding idioms is crucial for improving language proficiency. Keep practicing and using them in your conversations.